Could it be that a famous fighter plane from World War II can be overshadowed by an even more famous fighter pilot, namely Wing Commander Clive Caldwell of the Royal Australian Air Force? He notched up in the Supermarine Spitfire Mark 8 27 victories during the war. The plane was also flown by Air Vice Marshal William Dixon, the RAF, and another RAF pilot, Squadron Leader George Mackay. The kit has decals for these options. Otaki put out this kit in 1975, and it's now a bargain if you can get it. Please sit back and enjoy the build. Painting the Spitfire is now largely completed, and so the process of decaling, putting the decals on the kit, about to start, and this is what I'm greeted with. The decal sheet has been left inside the box for years, and you can see there superimposed, the moisture has got in and superimposed wording from the cover of the instruction sheet. So this is going to be an interesting job. Will it work? And it did work.